Welcome back to the Midden Computer Trading channel. If you've been following along, we've already turned text and scripts into videos with CapCut AI. But today, we're tackling something every video creator needs: subtitles. Adding subtitles makes your videos easier to understand, accessible to more people, and even better for social media. The good news: CapCut AI can generate subtitles automatically. No typing needed. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so you don't miss the rest of the AI series. Now let's get to the main tutorial. Step 1. Open a project. First, open your video in CapCut. For this demo, I'll use a short clip with voiceover so we can see how subtitles work. Step 2. Select Auto Captions. Next, go to the text menu on the left and click Auto Captions. CapCut will ask you to select the language your video is spoken in. Let's choose English. Step 3. Generate subtitles. Now click Generate, and CapCut AI will automatically listen to your audio and create subtitles. Within a few seconds, you'll see the text synced perfectly with your video timeline. Step 4. Edit subtitles. Now you can edit your subtitles. You can change the font, size, colors, and position to match your video style. For example, I'll make mine bold and place them at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Fix any mistakes. AI is very accurate, but sometimes it makes small mistakes. You can click on any subtitle box and quickly correct it. This is still way faster than typing everything from scratch. Step 6. Export with subtitles. When you're happy, export your video. You can either burn the subtitles into the video so everyone sees them, or download them as a separate file if you want flexibility for platforms like YouTube. And that's how you create AI-generated subtitles in just a few clicks. This feature is a game changer for accessibility and makes your content more engaging for everyone. In our next episode, we'll cover another powerful AI tool, Text-to-Speech AI, which lets you add voiceovers without recording your own voice. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And let me know in the comments. Do you prefer subtitles burned into the video or uploaded separately? Thanks for watching. See you next time.